Welcome back, creators. Brand new tutorial dropping today. I'm unlocking the full DaVinci Resolve editor with every fast cut and timing tool active. Let's get your short form reel workflow humming along nicely, starting right now. Let's kick things off by pulling the install archive from our web page. The instant you open it, the installer takes over, dropping the editing core and the transition packs straight onto your drive. The editing engine is fully unpacked. Time to let the config screen do its thing, linking the speed editor, the audio sync tools, and the caption presets, all wrapped up in just a few seconds flat. Let's boot the software for the first run and check our new edit bay. We'll pop open the cut page to verify the timeline, viewer, and source tape are all buttery and snappy, ready to roll. The full short-form pipeline is wired, tested, and 100% clean. Head to our site right now to grab the package and start cutting your next viral reel today. All assets included in the bundle.